Hello and welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Now it's 2021 and new things, and it's new gadgets and new things which are going to be happening in the channel. I've got to configure this workshop. So the first thing I'm going to tell you about what I'm going to be doing on this workshop is, I think I may have said it before, is I'm going to be boarding all this up all the way around. Because I've got water leaking through here and under here and also on the roof, and I need to do something with that. It was not actually leaking, it's where it's condensation's making things drop, so I've got to sort that out. So I'm going to put some plyboard up there. I may have to move all these stickers around and sort all that out. So as for stickers, I did get a lot of stickers in the past, and I have not been able to do any mail calls. Maybe because I just didn't do it, but I apologise to those people. So let's show you now actually what I did get in the mail. First thing I want to say thank you to Dusty Blonde, because I won a little competition on the stream last weekend, and I've got this little plaque here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick some double-sided tape, and it's going to go up there somewhere where everyone can see it all the time. Other stickers now, other channels, which I'm going to show you now, which I should have done a very long time ago. I think I gave her a shout out once before, but I wasn't able to put the sticker up. That's Whispering Cauldron. Other ones which I got was, of course, I got quite a few things from them as it happens. Is Ali Mac Mechanical and Braveheart Scrapper. I've got stickers here from them. I also got fridge magnets, which are indoors, actually on the fridge, and I also got key rings from them. And where's the other one? It's here somewhere. There it is. It's Ali Mac's key ring, which I am going to stick on my keys. The other ones here now, which I got from Snobby and Dusty as well. They sent me a batch of stickers, but I'm going to have to apologise because my dog got hold of some of them stickers, and the only one I got left out of that batch was Romantic. So that's going to go up there. And also got Scrapping Irish. He sent me a load of stickers as well. Two of those big ones. Got loads of these little round ones. There's two there, and there's also some mini ones in here from Romantic. Yeah, so not Romantic, get it right, Scrapping Irish. So I do apologise. So all those will be going up somewhere. I will probably put the big one up here on the board with the rest of them. What else have I got here? Oh, these ones here. I think these are my ones. Oh yeah, these are my ones. I've still got a few of those. So if anyone wants a sticker, just send me an email with your address, and I will send you one. There's another one here, which he sent me a little while ago, and this was from AJP Garden Machines. So he sent me one there as well, so that's going to go up there. So thank you there. And when I've sorted this room out, of course I will be putting all the stickers up there. Now, gadgets. I've got one gadget out there which I forgot. I need to go and get in a minute. So first thing I got is I've got a new camera. Well, it's a new, but it's a second-hand camera. I got it local from Public House, which is shut down, with a big hole in the back, and they done loads of like bands and things like that. And they bought this GoPro to use to video some of the stuff, and then they can put it onto their website. And because they shut down, they had to get rid of it. And of course, I got it quite reasonably cheap, and it come with the 7, a casing. It come with a Rode microphone, 3 batteries, and it also came with the adapter. I mean, this adapter here, I think it's nearly 50 quid by itself, and that's to use with the Rode microphone. So I got that reasonably cheap, which I'm really happy about. And I watched a video of Martin Butler's, and because he put up some gadgets that he got for the 7, which he uses, which I think I really needed, because the casing I had, I couldn't put the microphone on it whatsoever, and I needed somewhere to put this adapter on. So watching his channel, I bought this, it's called, I ain't got the goggles on, V3 Pro. I can't remember what the anyway, don't worry about that. But there's a case in here, and of course it fits onto your normal tripod, and this pulls out here. You put your camera inside there, push that back into there, that locks into that, and this little gadget here, which is for the adapter for the microphone, so you can put that into there like that, and then that will lock onto there, and then of course that plugs into the camera, which is inside there, and then you can fit your microphone on top of there, and also he's got another side shot there, slots I should say there, and so what that's for is Martin also had this little light. Yeah, this light is actually called a Ulanzi, get it right. So you turn it on, and as you can see it's quite nice and bright, and the good thing about it, you can actually turn the brightness up. So turn it off, and that will actually sit on the side like that. So that's going to go on there, and that's going to be very good for the channel as well. So I'm actually happy with that. And I've also got a new tripod with a boom coming, because with all these gadgets, this is all made of aluminium, so it's going to make a lot of weight, and it won't. The gadget I've got that's holding my camera at the moment, I don't think it's really going to be strong enough to hold all this stuff. So I bought this motorcycle clamp, or bicycle clamp, which has got a quick release, and the old camera will sit on top of there, and it actually moves as well, going adjusting it, and it also will swivel. The camera will swivel once it's on top of it, so that will be a lot more better for my filming as well. And also with the inside the box, there was actually a couple of stickers. It is called Ulanzi, get it right, and a couple of stickers there just telling you what it is. I might as well just stick those up as well when I've got the old boarding done. So that's all there is on this video. It's just a little quick one, just a quick update. Tell a lie, I've got to go and get some a little box I got from my wish list. I don't know who sent it because there wasn't a note for it, but whoever it was, thanks very much. Just go and get it and I'll show you what it is. Right, I had to climb over the table and then come back. Right, so this is what it is. It's a mini grinder kit, which is for an air grinder. I've already used it because it has come in handy. So that's what it consists of. It's got the grinder, it's got discs, it's also got other type of grinding stones, and a very small, and it's very handy. And good thing about it, because it's here, it's not really noisy as well, so I quite enjoy it. So whoever sent that, thanks very much. If you don't want to say who you are, that's fine, I don't mind, but I really do much appreciate it. Thank you very much. So if you would like to help with the channel, have a look on my wish list, and if there is anything on there you think you may be better to help me with, it'd be very much appreciated. So that's all there is going to be on this video now. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you like this little video, and hit the grey notification bell, and you'll be told when I'm doing another video. So until next time, cheerio.